Kami sa lahat ng Reconnect Presscon, reaction mo sa 500 pesos daw, kaya lang ba sa Noche Buena?
I mean, like the public sentiment naman, obviously, if the question is if you can, you can. But should you? No. So, yun lang.
You can, di ba?
Yeah.
Anyway, how do you support her now that she filed the case?
I mean, I've known about it for quite some time. That's why
Even before she filed?
yeah, that's why I flew to Cebu a few months ago. And I texted her on the day that it came out in the news also. I think it's harder kasi when people na know about it because obviously everybody has something to say. That's one of the cons of the internet. So I just didn't want her to be parang
Alone?
ayoko na, not just alone, pero ayoko mag-feel niya na the world has something to say about what she's going through. Because obviously, you guys or we don't know all the details. So I just don't want the world to feel unfair to Kim. So I just texted her na if she needs anything in here, and she knows that naman.
O ikaw nga raw ang iniyakan niya eh. Sabi lumabas sa SOCMED. Ikaw daw yung kasama niya nung nag-iiyak si Kim.
Madami naman. I mean, I'm sure that she also Kim has a very big support system kasi napaka-generous ni Kim na tao. So marami kaming nakaantabay. Not just me, Angelica's also there for her. Ang dami, si Twinkle, her sister, her brothers are here in town. So alam mo yun, si Direk Lauren lumipad din sa Cebu nung lumipad ako. So marami po kaming naghihintay na parang magsabi lang si Kim na kailangan ko ng tulong and we're ready.
How is she now?
She's okay. She's working. Ang ganda ng alibay. Ang lakas ng suporta sa alibay. So, si Kim naman, I love her mindset na parang, kung ito yung problema ko, but I have to focus on this right now, then I focus on this right now.
So you know about the plan even before she filed the case?
I wasn't privy to everything she was going to do.
Correct.
Yeah.
But kung nasa sitwasyon ka ni Kim, you will just do the same? Magpa-file ka rin against your sister?
I can't. I don't